मुझे आंसू आ गए.
It literally touched the soul.
The whole movie actually. बस
Most romantic movie I've seen so far.
बोरिंग नहीं लगी, थोड़ा रिलेटेबल लग रहा था जब वी मेट आशिकी 2 से.
And, they could have kept the name Ashiki 3.
Better than Ashiki 2 also.
Songs are also good.
बकवास भी चल रहा है बकवास. They have done a solid job.
We are waiting for आशिकी 3.
अच्छा था. He was very hot.
मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी. मुझे आंसू आ गए. I am touched. The movie was amazing. आहान पांडे एंड गुनीत का जो एक्टिंग है वो बहुत अच्छा था. एंड जो रोमांस फैक्टर है वो बहुत अच्छा है. सो या इट इज़ अ वेरी फ्रेश कॉन्सेप्ट. सो आई एम अ बिग मूवी बफ. मैं सारी मूवीज़ देखती हूँ बट दिस इज़ वन ऑफ द बेस्ट आई हैव सीन इन द होल ईयर. Direction is good. I love the movie. It's amazing. I like the romance in it and I like the emotion. It's a very emotional movie, so I am very, very touched.
How is the music?
Producing is also great. The scenes are very nice and thought about. So
How is the song and this?
म्यूज़िक इज़ अमेजिंग. बहुत दिल को छू लिया है और सारे ट्रैक्स भी अच्छे हैं. काफ़ी प्यारे गाने भी है, रॉकिंग गाने भी है जो इमोशन के साथ बहुत गाने हैं इसमें. सो
क्या लगता है इसको ये सैयारा मूवी को कुछ दूसरा नाम देना चाहिए था?
नहीं, मूवी का नाम बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत प्यारा नाम है और मूवी सुपर हिट है.
5 में से कितने रेट करें?
मैं 5 में से 10 दूंगी. 5 इज़ अ वेरी लेस नंबर. मैं 10 देना चाहूँगी. आई एम इन लव विद द मूवी एंड आई एम इन लव विद बोथ द एक्टर्स. सो कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस टू YRF टीम एंड आहान पांडे एंड गुनीत एंड एवरीवन बिहाइंड. कीप इट अप. आप जो भी मूवी करेंगे मैं तो डेफिनेटली देखने आऊँगी. सो ग्रेट जॉब आहान. Audience, please go watch it. It's a very nice movie. You can watch it with friends, with family, as a couple also you can watch it. It's amazing. दिल को छू जाएगा and you will be in tears. It's very nice.
कितने इमोशनल हो गए
बहुत.
मूवी देखकर. one word for love.
One word for love. Deep. Love should be deeply felt. So love is deep.
It is a very good movie after a long time.
Krish
Bollywood
Kapoor is an
made a very good
amazing,
movie.
amazing character.
Amazing.
बाकी बात करें कॉन्सेप्ट की. कॉन्सेप्ट कितना नया लगा?
बहुत नया, बहुत अच्छी मूवी है.
मूवी अच्छी लगी. और बात करें
The songs are very good.
Songs are very good. और
Very
वो
good.
कॉन्सर्ट वर्जन था जो सैयारा का, वो भी बहुत अच्छा था.
बेस्ट पार्ट क्या लगा पूरे मूवी देखकर?
The song, especially the concert song, Sayara song, that was very good. It literally touched the soul, like.
What
Hot and
is the rating out of 5 will you give for
out of 5.
Yes.
5 on 5. I will give 5 on 5 because I love Ahan Pandey. He was very hot.
Yes. And what message will you give for Ahan Pandey?
We love you. Keep up. Like the debut was amazing and wish you all the best.
Yes.
Very, very good.
What appeal will you give to the audience?
You should definitely watch it. 10 on 10 recommended.
Give it a try. Just watch it. It's amazing.
Yes. How is the performance of Ahan Pandey?
Ahan Pandey was amazing and even Aneet Padda was amazing.
Yeah,
Both
yeah.
of them.
Yes. What best part do you like the most?
The whole movie actually. बस.
Yes. What is the rating out of 5 will you give for it?
5 out of 5.
Thank you. मैम आपने सैयारा मूवी देखकर कैसा लगा?
It was lovely.
Yes.
The story was lovely. I'm a very big Mohit Suri fan.
Yes.
And I think this was the most touching and the most romantic movie I've seen so far. So yeah, it was like मुझे तो बहुत अच्छा लगा personally. But yeah, the songs are literally my favorite songs now. So I'm very happy I saw this movie.
Yes. मैम आपको कैसा लगा मूवी?
Songs बहुत अच्छे थे. Songs are really good and
Yes.
Ahan Pandey has done good acting and everything was good.
यस. आहान पांडे की फर्स्ट डेब्यूट फिल्म में देखकर कैसा लगा परफॉर्मेंस उनका?
अच्छी एक्टिंग की उन्होंने और बोरिंग नहीं लगी.
हाँ.
कुछ ना कुछ कनेक्टेड ही था. ऐसा नहीं लगा वो शिट ये कहाँ से आ गया हिंदी मूवी.
यस.
अच्छी थी.
कॉन्सेप्ट कैसा लगा? कॉन्सेप्ट कितना नया लगा देखकर?
थोड़ा रिलेटेबल लग रहा था जब वी मेट आशिकी 2 से क्योंकि ऑब्वियसली सेम डायरेक्टर हैं पर अच्छे से दिखाया उन्होंने एवरीथिंग. मतलब रणबीर कपूर जैसी थोड़ी वॉइस थी उनकी विच इज़ ऐसा नहीं कि कॉपी किया, वैसी ही उनकी वॉइस. और स्मूथ था, एक्टिंग अच्छी की दोनों ने।
और रॉकस्टार वाला वाइब दे रहा था कि नहीं?
यस,
दे
जब
रहा
वो गाड़ी से निकलते हैं,
हाँ।
वो वाइब, फिर वो जब मनाली जाते हैं तो वो आदित्य वाली वाइब, वो गीत को ढूंढने आश्रम में जाते हैं वो वाइब, और फिर जब वो स्टेडियम में जाते हैं तो ये अदिति जब वो आशिकी 2 में रहती है तो वैसे सारे इंसिडेंट्स मतलब मैच हो रहे थे।
Yes.
अच्छी थी।
कॉन्सेप्ट कैसा लगा मैम देखकर?
Oh, it was lovely. It was very romantic. It was, I think, it was heart touching. To be very honest, the whole time we friends we were all discussing about how Ashiki 2 was made, and this is how we were like Ashiki 3 honi chahiye thi movie. It would have named they could have kept the name Ashiki 3 rather than Sayyara, but like I'm very happy with the actors especially because Ahan Pandey, like you said, Ahan Pandey ka debut hai, and yes, it was lovely. I think the whole entire concept of the movie, which is they've shown the disease, right? I mean, how a guy still bees with a girl no matter what she goes through. So I think that's a very big lesson for relationships nowadays, where people should understand that no matter what happens, you need to be with each other, through thick and thin of your life. So yeah.
Yes. How is the performance of Ahan Pandey and Anit Padda? First debut film. How is the chemistry and how is the performance of both them?
So their chemistry was lovely. I think the heroine, she's already worked in OTT, I suppose.
Yes.
But Ahan Pandey, yes, he was lovely, and their chemistry was very touching because, like I said, the entire time it was just Ashiki 3 vibes. So yeah, I mean, from start to end, I was just thinking about Ashiki 3. And yeah, that's all. Their chemistry is lovely. The entire movie is lovely. Me being a Mohit Suri fan for me, it's a very, very happy moment.
Yes. How is the songs in this?
It's lovely. I'm literally, whenever the songs were coming up, like it was already playing in my head before the actor was even saying those words. So yeah, I mean, songs to jab release हुए थे, तभी सुनना चालू किया था मैंने. So I actually knew most of the lines. But yeah, songs were lovely. I mean, songs, if you see Mohit Suri के जो songs हैं Mohit Suri की movies में, अगर आप देखोगे तो his songs are the best songs, if you see, even when Imran Hashmi, then Ashiki 3 songs as well.
Yes.
सारे songs उसके बहुत अच्छे. So yeah, I mean, I think if you're looking for something to watch, into romantic, or if you're looking to something to watch in the theater, so Mohit Suri is the #1 director in the Indian cinema. So yes.
One word for Mohit Suri.
Oh,
As a fan.
my heart. He has my heart. That's all I can say. I mean, I wish I could meet him one day, take an autograph, take a selfie or something. But yeah, Mohit Suri has my heart forever.
Yes. What do you like the most in this?
The most is the characters, and the most important is the story behind what they're portraying. So, like for example, there was a scene where she gave up on him, right? But he did not give up on her. So I think that's something that relationships lack these days. So it's like relationships, they actually lack a lot of understanding, and they lack a lot of they give up on each other.
Yes.
So I think that's something that every relation and every couple must understand.
Which part do you like the most? After interval or before interval?
The whole movie actually. I mean, ऐसा लगा ही नहीं कि interval हुआ. It was like चल ही रहा है movie, and we were not wanting to get up actually. हम लोग last तक रुके थे. We were just listening to the music as well. So the whole movie was good. Like there's no in particular part something that I must say. Every shot, every scene, it was lovely.
Yes. What is the rating out of 5?
Oh, it's 5. I think if you ask me even 10, I would say 11. So yeah, it was good.
And what message will you give to the audience? Should they watch movie?
Of course, yeah, it's fully paisa vasool movie. I think I think instead of watching something action or something that way, I think every person must watch this movie.
Yes. After watching this movie, one word for love. What
One
will you
word
give? For love.
Sacrifice, I must say, because love is all about sacrificing your own dreams or sacrificing your own behavior, you can say, because there's a lot of toxic behavior going on these days, guys, girls, from both the sides. So I feel I think everybody should understand, if you really love someone, and if you really want to be with someone, you should leave your toxic behavior and be good to that person, be mindful.
Yes, and as a fan of Mohit Suri, what message will you give to Mohit Suri, sir?
Okay, Mohit Suri sir. Okay, first of all, you have my heart already since years, and I mean, I would love to see more movies that you make like these. I'm looking forward to all the movies that you'll be coming up, and yeah, I mean, I'll watch. I mean, I've come for this movie, so I'll watch the future movies of yours as well. So yeah, you have my heart already. So yeah.
Yes, thank you, thank you.
Thank you,
मैम कॉन्सेप्ट कितना नया लगा ये देखकर मूवी सैयारा?
कॉन्सेप्ट हाँ, ये जो अल्जाइमर्स डिजीज़ के ऊपर बना है, ये एकदम न्यू कंसेप्ट है। ऐसा मतलब मैंने देखा नहीं था कि मतलब ये देखा था कि कोई सिक हो गया, फिर उन लोग कहीं चले जाते हैं, पर कि लड़की को अल्जाइमर्स हो गया है और फिर जैसे लड़का उसे छोड़ता नहीं, उसके साथ रहता है पूरा टाइम, वो आता है, वो प्रूफ करता है, तो ये कंसेप्ट इज़ न्यू।
क्लाइमेक्स कैसा लगा देखकर?
अच्छा था,
अच्छा
मतलब आप फर्स्ट टाइम देखेंगे तो आपको अच्छा लगेगा।
गाने कैसे लगे इसमें?
नाइस सॉन्ग, डेप्थ, मीनिंग।
पहली बार आन पांडे और अनित पड्डा
अच्छे
आए,
लगे।
फर्स्ट डेब्यूट उनकी फिल्म है, कैसा लग रहा है उनका परफॉर्मेंस देखकर?
गुड कपल, आई मीन
Good
गुड
couple.
ऑन स्क्रीन,
Yes.
जोड़ी नाइस।
केमिस्ट्री अच्छी लग रही है उनकी?
यस
यस, और बेस्ट पार्ट क्या लगा पूरी मूवी देखकर?
बेस्ट पार्ट इज ये है कि कैसे वो लोग एक दूसरे का साथ निभाते हैं। जब वो भूल जाता है कि वो कौन है तो वो इसको याद दिलाती है, और जब वो भूल जाता है जब ये भूल जाती है तो ये याद दिलाता है, और मतलब दोनों एक दूसरे के साथ रहते हैं एंड तक।
5 में से कितने रेट करेंगे?
आज में से 3.5।
यस, और ऑडियंस को क्या मैसेज देंगे?
देख सकते हैं वो लोग ऐसे, मतलब इट्स गुड, गाने अच्छे हैं, मूवी का मैसेज अच्छा है, एंड इफ यू कैन लर्न लॉयल्टी फ्रॉम दिस मूवी, सो या।
यस, आप मैसेज की बात करें, मैसेज क्या देती है मूवी?
ये कि एक टर्म बोलूँगी मैं कि कुछ भी हो जाए एक दूसरे को चूज़ करो, इन सिकनेस, इन हेल्थ, इन बोर्डम, इन नॉर्मल लाइफ, इन एवरीथिंग, चूज़ ईच अदर नो मैटर
यस,
व्हाट।
मूवी देखकर वन वर्ड फॉर लव।
लॉयल्टी।
यस, थैंक यू मैम, थैंक यू।
थैंक यू।
मैम कैसी लगी मूवी सैयारा?
अच्छी
अच्छी है।
अच्छी movie, nice movie.
हाउ इज द कॉन्सेप्ट?
Concept was good. Story was better than Ashiki 2 also. Yeah, compared to Ashiki, it's good movie.
the performance of An Pandey?
Anand Pandey is a good performance. It's a debut for him, so he really act well. Yeah.
What is the best moment do you like in this movie?
She can answer.
Ending was really good. Yes. Yeah.
How is the climax?
Good. Everything about the movie was good. Yeah. Songs are also good.
What is the rating out of 5?
On a scale of 1 to 5. 5.
4.
सैयारा बहुत अच्छी। कैसी लगी सर मूवी? कैसी लगी भाई मूवी सैयारा?
बकवास पिक्चर भाई, बकवास।
क्यों, क्या बकवास लगा?
अरे स्टोरी कुछ लाइन है ही नहीं, बकवास।
कैसी लगी भाई आपको मूवी? कैसी लगी मैम सैयारा मूवी? कैसी लगी आपको मैम? कैसी लगी मूवी सैयारा? कैसी लगी सर मैम? अच्छी लगी? कैसी लगी मैम मूवी? कैसी लगी मैम सैयारा मूवी? कैसी लगी आपको मूवी? Yes.
It felt like a warm hug, and the love story is amazing. The ending is really good, and the music is fabulous. Everybody should watch it. If as far as the rating is concerned, I give it a 4.5.
Yes. How is the performance of Anit and An Pandey?
Both the leads
Yes.
are fabulous. Unbelievable that it's their first film, and as debutants, they have done a solid job. A great set of acting both the newcomers have
Yes.
showcased.
How is the songs in this?
Songs are amazing. The music is outstanding as the biggest highlight of the film.
Yes. What do you like the most in this movie?
So the songs are one. The storyline is very, very simple, and it feels like a warm hug, and I can't reveal much about the film. The ending is, of course, very unpredictable and very nice.
Yes. How is the climax in this?
Climax is unique. The film itself, the second half is quite unique and not seen in many Hindi films. Of course, even if it's seen, the treatment is very different. So Mohit Suri does a great job.
Yes. What one word for love? What you do after watching this movie?
So everybody should watch it. All the lovers should watch it. I highly rate this film.
Yes. What is the rating out of 5?
4.5.
And what will you give message to the audience?
So everybody should watch Sayara, and it is going to be a blockbuster. No power can stop this film. It is going to be the biggest love story ever in Indian cinema.
यस थैंक यू सर थैंक यू
Thank you.
अच्छी था अच्छी था
कैसी लगी मैम मूवी कैसी लगी सर मूवी
अच्छी है
कैसी लगी मैम
It was good.
क्या आपको अच्छा लगा
Hero.
हीरो कॉन्सेप्ट कितना नया लगा
हाँ?
कॉन्सेप्ट कैसा लगा
Story बहुत यूनिक थी. Thank you.
गाने कैसे लगे
बहुत अच्छा. It's good. It's good. It's good. Yes. It's good.
स्टोरी लाइन
So, I mean, you have to give it to Mohit Suri because I came for him, his direction for sure. Music is good and direction is good.
हाउ इज द
Yeah. Concept, I mean, okay, it's kind of mixture of the old movies that we've already watched. So yeah, but all in all, one-time watch, it's good. They're fine. Yep. The music is good, as I said. The direction is good and the music is good. But, I mean, direction. As I said, I have to give it to Mohit Suri for his direction. Otherwise, I mean, if you are directing Ashiki 3, we are waiting for Ashiki 3. Yes. 2. Yeah. Because obviously, we are talking about the movie as a whole, so 2. Yep. Good. Yep.
कैसी लगी मैम मूवी
बहुत अच्छी. It was very nice. बहुत अच्छा था, प्लॉट बहुत अच्छा था.
कैसी लगी मैम मूवी
Great.